Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you some methods to fix the Finals Matchmaking Failed. So, first, we just keep retrying. If still matchmaking failed, then try disable crossplay. Just go to settings. Go to network section, then switch to off on crossplay. Go back and retrying. If still matchmaking failed, then try change the region. To do that, press R key on the keyboard or go to settings. After that, on region section you will see matchmaking region. Try change to another region and try matchmaking again. You can see it working for me. Method 2. Check the server status. To do this, visit the Finals official Twitter page by click the link in description. After that, check if there are any messages about server problems or maintenance time. If everything is fine, then check the internet connection. Make sure your internet speed is good and stable enough to be able to play online games. Finally, because this is a new game, it is possible that the number of players accessing one server is too large, leading to congestion. Please come back at another time. That's it guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.